That is a camera remote. At the moment it's in my wrist. And here is my bike. And I can see the picture from this remote. The picture that the camera is shooting. And the camera is at the moment installed into my helmet. Let's put the GPS also. And here I have something interesting. I can put this remote to this one, and this belongs here to the bike. The main thing about this remote, because the camera is now installed in my helmet, main thing I can do with this remote, which would be quite difficult when the camera is here on the helmet, I can do this. Did you see? This is quite cool. It's lossless 2x zoom in the action camera. And I can do it quite easily when I'm riding, while I'm riding on a motorbike, because I need to push only 2x on the screen of this remote. That to make it normal, and then times it zooms. I think it is very cool. And to stop recording, just to push from up here.